Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And remember to leave a thumbs up and a comment. As you can see from the title, today I'll be unboxing a gardener's treasure trove. This was gifted to me by one of my students with the help of his little sister. It was made and packaged by their mother, whose business is called Baskets 954. This is a local business in the Fort Lauderdale and surrounding areas. She makes baskets for every occasion. You can find her information in the description below as well. My favorite colors basket was presented to me as a teacher appreciation, Mother's Day, and a thank you gift. Now, let's get ready to open up this basket and see what's in it. This is a beautiful bow. So, let's get into it. Here's a lovely teacher's cup. I can drink a lot of tea from this, or even some soup. Let me cut this wrapper. There's several packages of seeds. This tool will be very useful in the garden. It's called a cultivator. There are a variety of vegetable seeds, summer squash, Swiss chard, summer squash again, and beans. Here are some flower seeds as well. Daisy, these are zinnias, cosmos, cottage garden, and what is this? Oh, morning glory. The garden will be looking very colorful. A pair of floral scissors are always welcome. This is a kneeling pad. It takes the stress off the knees. This will surely be used. It is sturdy as well. Here is a transplanter. It can be used to dig up the earth even while harvesting things like potatoes. Check out this lovely pruner. This is a tool that is always needed. This watering can will be very useful in the garden as well. Such thoughtful gifts. More seeds. Okay. Oh, something to eat. Truffles. Some sparkling cider to celebrate under the shade after a great harvest. Here's a nice basket. This container can be used to collect fruits and vegetables in the garden. Very lovely. This is a colorful welcome board. I'll find a place in the garden for it. Here's the entire treasure. Thanks again to Basket 954 for this gift. Please check them out. They can make great gifts, even personalized ones. Check them out in the description below. Thanks for watching. And please remember to subscribe, like, share, and please leave a comment.